What are you doing? Lots of forks and pictures. I'm reading a newspaper here in the living room. What are you doing? Is the water splashing? I'm having a shower here in the bathroom. What are you doing? Paws and kites and yo-yos. I'm playing with toys here in my bedroom. What are you doing? Lovely chips and chicken. I'm cooking chips and chicken here in the kitchen.